Most people get this wrong. They chase the highest cashback rates, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring fees, categories, and how you actually spend money every month. In this video, we are breaking down the best cash-back credit cards in 2026 with no annual fee, so you can keep more money in your pocket without paying extra costs. Let's start with the basics. Cashback credit cards give you a percentage of your spending back as real money or statement credits. No annual fee means you do not pay anything just to keep the card open. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The best, no annual fee cashback cards usually fall into three types. First category, flat rate cashback cards. These cards give you the same percentage on everything you buy, usually around 1.5% to 2%. For someone like Alex who wants simplicity, this is perfect. You do not need to think about categories or rotating bonuses. You just swipe and earn. But here's the problem. Many people assume flat rate cards are the highest earning option in every situation. But that is not always true if you spend heavily in specific categories. Second category, category bonus cards. These cards give higher cashback on specific spending, like groceries, gas, dining, or online shopping. For example, Jake might get extra rewards on groceries and streaming services, which can add up faster than a flat rate card if he spends in those areas. In a minute, I'll show you how to combine these cards to maximize cashback without paying a single annual fee. Third category, rotating bonus cards. These cards change their bonus categories every few months. One quarter might be gas stations, another quarter might be online shopping. These can be powerful, but they require attention. If you forget to activate categories, you miss out on rewards. Now let's talk about the most important part. The real strategy is not picking one card. It is using the right card for the right purchase. For example, you could use a flat rate card for everything general, and a category card for groceries or gas date. This combination can significantly increase your total cashback. But here's where most people fail. They only use one card for everything, and leave money on the table every month without realizing it. Now, let's keep it simple. The best no annual fee cashback cards in 2026 are the ones that match your spending style. If you want simplicity, go flat rate. If you want maximum rewards, mix category and flat rate cards strategically. Let's summarize everything clearly. No annual fee cashback cards are powerful tools when used correctly. The key is matching the card to your spending habits and not overcomplicating the system. If this helps you understand cashback credit cards better, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple money breakdowns like this.